on, Richard?
Fine, and you, Juan?
What do we got here?
We have the new BenchRack Versa here
Okay.
that is purpose-built for in-ground installation.
Okay.
And we had focus on ergonomic and versatile to have it 100% booking hours on it.
Okay.
We don't want it to use it spare as a spare porch holder or just use it maybe 1 time a week or 2 times a week. We want it 100% use in time. Sell our 100%. And
so we're saving a bay, right? We're saving space.
Saving space and saving bay. And with the new ramps, drive-on ramps, it should be on the floor now. Okay. But it's easy to drive up. Okay. Just drive it up, lift the car, start working. Okay. You never need to touch your knees in the ground. No, you never need to go down.
I get to save my knees?
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah.
So that is a whole idea with this bench. And lift higher, lift more, 10,000 pounds, lift higher.
So now that it's in the in-ground, does it go higher? Or does it, okay.
So it goes 46 inches from the ground and up now.
Okay.
So it make it really good ergonomic to do quick measuring.
Quick measuring.
Yeah. And also we have the quick anchoring. So still have the car on wheels and do a cosmetic pull, a light pull. Okay. Just mount it on the place, adjust the height.
I see that's different, yeah?
Yes.
So that goes up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Adjust it, clamp it, make a small pull.
Okay.
And then you have saved time. You didn't. You only needed a small pull. Okay. You didn't need to demount all the car, take all the wheels off. Yeah. Just have it on wheels, make a small pull.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. No, that's very smart. I love the fact that it no longer is going to tie up a stall. It's going to make that stall usable, right?
Have one more technician in the house.
And you don't get to hear all that racket when you're going up.
No.
It's
totally
quiet.
Right?
It's quiet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I would say one of those things is pretty intimidating when you're driving up the ramp and it's, making those noises.
And you want to look outside.
Yeah, am I okay? So this is all on the ground.
You have concrete now.
Yeah.
It just drives over. And it's only 60 millimeters high.